Good morning, YouTube, Facebook. This is Chandler coming from Classic Care Services. This is Monday morning, and I'm heading out. Today is the 22nd, actually. Say the 23rd. Today's the 22nd, and just heading out to my first job. But just want to share with you how I start my day. Typically on the morning. Sometimes I'm in a hurry, in a rush, get the truck out the shop. But obviously I've done that already. I'm in the van. And typically before I take off in Godzilla, I would pray that I will have favor with my customers, that I will have safe travels on the highways and byways, that I will have wisdom, and that I will be good with my hands today, as well as my knowledge and my wisdom and my understanding of what I'm doing today. So those are typical things that I would speak positively about before I start. And then also think about what I want to accomplish today besides my to-do list. But today I want to have integrity. I want to have integrity today, meaning that I'm going to do what I say I'm going to do. And I'm going to follow through with what I need to follow through with. So today I have some upholstery cleaning, some carpet cleaning, but I also have a customer that had a couple of spots that came back in her master bedroom, which I can take my spotter and to go clean it. And that's what I'm going to do. I said I would do it, and I'm going to have integrity today. Integrity is something that will inspire you. It's the foundation of your spirit, because if you have integrity, your spirit is going to feel confident and at peace. And that's what you want. If you're at peace, you're going to have confidence, you're going to be sure of yourself and know what you're doing, and know what you're doing it correctly, you're right, and you're doing the best that you can. That's all that can be asked of you. So let's have integrity today, guys, and enjoy our day and be profitable in all our ways. Have a good morning.